What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Grease and Diesel YouTube channel. Today I'm just going to do a quick little video on kill switch. So right here just have a kill switch for Yamaha, and the thing I'm going to be showing you is just a quick little tear apart on the inside, and that you can actually replace the switch when it's broken. If the plastic's chipped, you can put a new piece of plastic in there, and a lot cheaper than purchasing the whole new assembly. This one's completely together, and I actually have one torn apart right here. So this assembly consists of a handful of different parts. We have just a plastic retainer, the metal clip that clips down everything, the switch itself, and this one's here is broken, but I'm going to be reinstalling this broken one into this just because it'll still work if I ever need it. Then there's 3 different screws, 2 for the outside and 1 on the inside. On the inside of the kill switch and light assembly, there's 2 different positions. This is where the switch actually goes for the kill switch, and then the lights are above that. Inside there's just a couple moving components, and we're not going to be messing with the top piece, but jumping down to the bottom side, we're just going to push it off to the side. So when you want to put a new clip in, I'll just reinstall the old one. The pieces of metal contact are actually going to be towards the farther tall side. So you're going to take the switch and install it right where it fits in. These are actually sprung out with a little spring, so you might have to compress that spring to get it back into the kill switch, or you can just use your thumb. Now once it's in there, it can go side to side as off, and then move back upwards to on. And then on top of that, you have this plastic retainer clip. It just sits in here. It's not screwed down itself. There's a piece that goes above it that gets screwed down. So you're going to go ahead and there's a little cutout where it goes, and just make sure the switch is completely seated. Then there's a slot for the wires to go through right here for the top switch. So you just want to make sure you get the wires off to the side, not pinching any of them. And you press that in, and that'll be good right there. Then you're going to take the metal retaining clip and place that on the inside. Next, you'll use a screwdriver and use the very small screw, and it goes in right in that little hole. You go ahead and place that in there. And then go ahead and take the screwdriver, put the screw in, and then that holds the kill switch in position, so you can't bring it back out. And it shifts side to side for run and kill. Then for the final putting it back together before you put it on the bike, you're just going to reassemble the 2 pieces that go around the handlebars. On the bottom side there's going to be 2. They should be Phillips head screws. You're just going to replace the screws. And you don't want to make them super tight before you install it on the bike. They're supposed to be loose, and then the final tightening goes when you put it onto the handlebars. So just put these on and give them a couple turns. And then this piece, go back onto the handlebars. Once it's in position, you go back onto the bottom side, and you just tighten them all the way up. Once it's tight, then it stays in place, and you can use your switch and on and off, and that's how you replace the broken switch on the kill switch there. Thank you.